Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to solve Leetcode problem number 69, which is going to be sqrt of x. So also it is given here that we don't have to use this power function in C programming, and also don't have to multiply by zero point 0.5 in Python. Okay, so this question we are solving by using Python programming language. So we have a math module in it, which uses sqrt function. So basically we're going to import it and use it in this question. So let's first of all import sqrt from math module. So let's do this. So from math, I'm gonna import sqrt function. Okay, sqrt, and then all you need to do is to just return. We know that the return type is going to be integer, so for that I'm going to use int function, and then you're going to have to write sqrt of the integer whatever we get, and then that's all. We're going to have to run this. Accepted, and now let's submit this code. So we have used sqrt function from math module, and here it is submitted, and that's all for today.